What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. So today we're going to do a little informative video. We got in the UZS 186 Crown, which is obviously the new car I've got. I'm going to do a how to pull out the center dash so you can get to the back of the stereo, you can get to the back of the cigarette lighter, all things like that, because I've got a few videos coming up that we're going to have to do that. One, I want to mount the ASC 680 air controller in the ashtray because I don't smoke, and it's going to be a really tidy mount in there, so we're going to have to do it for that. So if you want to do a similar thing, this is how you pull the dash out. We also need to put a Bluetooth adapter in so that the CD changer will give us two options, one CD changer, one Bluetooth option. So we're going to have to pull it all out for that. And the other one is a TV mirroring option, so you can mirror your phone to the TV because the actual GPS doesn't work because it's a Japanese one. So you're going to need it for all three of those videos. So this is the one to refer to, and in those videos I'll just, chuck a card up so you can come back to this if you need to. So let's get stuck in. Okay, so to start with, what we're going to want to do is pop up this section here. So you get your pry tool just underneath, give it a little pop up. There's a peg here and a peg here. Just got to be real gentle with this. Don't want to damage it. There we go. Popped up nicely. So to get to that, you want to pull this back. Don't have to have it all the way out, but whatever you feel more comfortable with it out of the way. I'm going to pop that up. You can see it's nice and loose there. I'm going to put this into neutral. I'm going to try and pull this out without taking the gear knob off, but we'll see how we go. We'll do our best. So I'm going to have to, now I'll put it in neutral. It looks like the most room there. Now from pulling up here, she just comes back. There we go. So we got 5 plugs under here, guys. We're just going to pull all 5 of those out. Be nice and gentle. Okay, that one was a little bit of a pain, but oh gee, we all sorted. Slide it up like that and you can get it out. That was really, really good. Glad about that. I just want to take these plugs out. We've got 2 up here. It's just the 2 there. I'll show you guys. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 plugs, 2 clips, and you actually got 2 clips up the top as well, which slide out, and then 1 plug, 2 plugs. Okay, just pop that off to the side. Now to get access to this, you just want to reach down the side here. And this panel here and this panel here clip out. So if you reach down, bit of pressure, boom, slides straight out. 1, and then 2. Go. Come on, baby. There we go. Now, as you can see with this one, guys, clip, 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 right? And these little guides, do not pull it like that. You're gonna break your panel. You wanna pull it straight out. Go along the lines of the clips, kind of self-explanatory. Okay, I'm not gonna lie, that was really nerve-wracking because it feels really, really brittle and I don't wanna break it. You gotta pull out 1 clip, 2 clips, that's for the heated seats. As you can see, you've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 clips holding in, and then you've also got some extra little ancillary ones, and here as well, just adding to it. Okay guys, then you've got 1, there's a screw, 2 screws, so it's 3 screws, 4 screws up here, you'll see them, they're very obvious, they're gold. And then you've got 1 and 2 screws there. These ones down here are just a M10, yep. Thank you Toyota for sticking everything M10. And then these ones up here, they look like an M8, but they're a Phillips as well, so just go for the Phillips if you want, make it easy. Two. And then just give her a little, how's your father? And we're out. So guys, that is how to remove your center dash and pull out your nav head unit section. So thanks for coming along for that little informative video, guys, pulling the dash out. I really hope that it helped someone out. I hope that maybe it made things a bit simpler for you. It is actually a really easy dash to pull out. I was really worried that it was going to be full on and scary, but it's not at all. Really easy, just be gentle with it and don't go pulling it around too much because it is pretty brittle. So thank you for coming along. Please like, please subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. See ya.